This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by Kimble. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and an office. It is amazing with open living concept and split bedroom floor plan. Built by Best Homes in 2010 and well maintained. The kitchen has built-in microwave, center island and large pantry. Windows galore allow for natural lighting. The backyard is spacious and will accommodate for play or future pool. Extended back covered patio is perfect for cookouts. Don't miss this great home in a wonderful neighborhood near school and restaurants. Easily accessible to 174 or CTP. For more information, review the details below or contact Kimble at 817-688-9372.